All right, so we're headed up to start the keynote for Smurf at Westrock. I'm so excited for this one, friends. It's 500 leaders from all across North America. They're gonna hear all about the Encore experience. We're gonna leave them energized and excited to return back to work. Let's go.
Please give Gregory Offner a warm applause.
Thanks, Abby. Now, what I love about that video is that as I look out watching y'all, you're not even doing anything, and so many of you are smiling ear to ear. And I think it's because that's the sound of engagement. That's an experience that leaves people feeling energized and excited to be a participant again and again and again. And I'm going to teach you how we did that at the piano bar. And then I'm going to share how you can adapt that strategy for the workplace. Sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good.
Thank you. Phenomenal.
Thank you so much for having me.
Phenomenal. When I tell you, when our CEO was the first one to stand up after your performance, you've done a great job.
keep running around here. You're like, that was awesome.
He was the first to stand to give you a standing
I'm so glad y'all enjoyed it.
It was awesome.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Sincerely.
so much.
We've never had a standing ovation like that. That was amazing.
That was awesome.
Did you see Tony Smurfett came over
I
and
did.
said,
I was like, hey, hi.
Yeah.
So
Linda! Oh, you're awesome.
Oh, you did so good.
Can we have a selfie all together?
Absolutely.
1, 2, 3.
Well, that's a wrap on the conference here in Chicago. I got to catch a flight to Grand Rapids for another keynote tomorrow. But I'm so glad you got to experience this with me. And if you want to experience this live for yourself, go ahead and give me a call because we can set this up for your organization too. That's all for now. See ya.